Hello, this is Professor John Bordeau, and here with STEM Guitar, and today we are going to install the string ferrules. So right here is a string ferrule, right? And I have a package of these right here, and that's what they look like. We got 6 of them, and it's pretty much a drill hole that is 1/4 inch. And so what we're going to do is just set it in there. We're going to take this punch and I'm going to place that in there, and I am going to come over here, set this like such, right? And I am just going to tap this in with a carpenter's hammer. And you want to get it down, there's going to be a little lip on the ferrule. You want to get it down so that lip touches. And so I'm going to do one more quick one, and you'll get the hang. I think this is the easiest method. There's another method in which we can put a specialized tool from STUMAC that the instructors from Sinclair Community College made, and you can put it in an arbor press or in a drill press and press these down very slowly and straight. But this works if you have good coordination and you can hammer it in straight up and down. It's a lot faster and easier. So you just get it started and just make sure you tap it down so that the lip gets down to the, in this case I got a little piece of a finish there from the collage. And I'll do a little more. And yeah, you don't want to bang the finish. So if you're not coordinated, you might want to use the drill press or arbor press method, but this is the easiest. All it is a punch and a hammer, and we'll punch those in and put all 6 of those string ferrules in. And string ferrules are just knurled, and so do not put any lube on them. All right, we want those to be stuck in there and pressed in there. All right, so these are string ferrules. Installing the string ferrules. Let me see if we can get a little better view of that. There's the string ferrule, and there's where they go in. All right.